Welcome back. This is the 16th part of our series about Shadcn UI with Next.js. We are exploring all of the components one by one. In the last video, we covered how to create forms with the help of Shadcn UI. And in this video, we're going to see what are the hover cards and how to use them properly in your Next.js project. So here, this is the quick demo on their website. And when you hover on this link, you will see a card that would appear on hover. So that is all about the hover card. And it is really easy to include it in your project. They are basically using a simple card and adding some JavaScript that will make it appear like a pop-up. Okay, so let's quickly install it. So in the installation section, we just have to copy this command and paste it in our project. So open the project, and here in the root directory of your project, paste this command and it would install all of the necessary dependencies. All right, it has created a component in the component/UI/hovercard.tsx. If you click on that, it will take you to that file and here you can review it. So if you look at it, they have used a hover card from the Radix UI. Okay, and these are all of the Tailwind CSS classes. We will come back to this after testing it. So as we have imported that, so very first step is copy this piece of code to add all of the import statements. So let's open the main page.tsx file, and on the top I will replace all of these import statements with the ones that we just copied, and copy this piece of code and replace it with that code and save it. Now let's go back to the browser in your app, and here you can see a small text saying hover, and if you hover you would notice that the hover card has been appeared, and that card is showing the content that you have added in this hover card section. So in the hover card component, we are using the hover card trigger. So this text hover is actually coming from here. You can change it like click me or hover me, and in the hover content you will add the content. Currently they have used plain text in that content section, but you can add any HTML or any React component, or even you can add Shadcn UI components within that content as well. For example, here you can add a button. I will use the Shadcn UI button here, and let's add it. And if you hover on it, you would notice that Shadcn UI button is also visible, and you can click on that as well. Okay, so this is really useful and very quick to install and set up. Now, if you go back to the hovercard.tsx file, these are all of the Tailwind CSS classes, and this is some logic that you can see here. So if you want to change the appearance of your hover card, you can easily do that. So for example, here you can maybe add BG red 500 just to show you. You can see the background color is red now. Similarly, you can add any more Tailwind CSS classes to make it according to your needs, but most of the time you will not need to make any change in these components, and mostly these components would fulfill your needs without need of any change in these components. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you enjoyed, then please like and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming videos about this. And also, if you have any questions or feedback or suggestions, then please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.